Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, we're going to talk about the P.O.M. This is one of the routine we normally use when we moving off. If examiner asks you to stop on the left hand side, or if you parked up and you get ready to move at the test center, what we need to do very first thing is a preparation. So the P with the preparation. Prepare yourself. Start the car. Put your car into the gear and get ready to move. If you have a biting point, so get ready with the biting point as well. If you don't have a biting point, then you don't need to worry about, because when you lift the clutch up, car will move anyway. So prepare yourself, and then comes O, which is observation. Observation is the 6 different places you have to look before you move the car. So if you park on the left hand side, examiner do ask you to park on the left hand side about 3 to 4 times during your test. So if you park on the left hand side, when they ask you to move off when you're ready, 6 different places. 6 different places are, you park on the left hand side, so your observation start from the left shoulder. So you look as 1 over your shoulder. Second is your left wing mirror. Third is your center rear view mirror. Fourth is the windscreen front of you. Fifth is your wing mirror on the right, and the 6th one is your right shoulder. So 6-point checks from shoulder all the way to the shoulder, from footpath to the road. Wherever you park the car, you always start from that direction. You move your head around onto that direction first. Then you look on the wing mirror, that's number 2. Center rear view mirror, that's number 3. Windscreen front of you, number 4. Wing mirror on the right, number 5. And the 6th one is your shoulder, which is the right shoulder now, because the car will be coming from this direction now, so you need to end up on the right shoulder. Once you've done your 6-point checks, you've done your P.O.M, you've done your observation, then comes maneuver, which is a move off when you're ready. So am I ready to move? Do I need to give signal? That's a big question. Do I need to give a signal when we're moving off? Now, most of the time when you ask a student, do you need to give a signal when you're moving off? The first thing they will say, yes, I do need to give a signal. No. If you don't see anyone coming behind you, you do not give a signal, because this is we call unnecessary signal. If you give a signal when the road is empty, there's no one's walking next to you, there's no one crossing the road and coming towards your car there, and there's no one's behind, you do not give a signal at all, and you just move off without any signal. Because if you do give a signal, you'll be penalized for that, and you will get a minor fault for giving a signal, which is we call unnecessary signal. This is a part of your driving test as well. When you see the marking sheet of the driving test, there's a one says signal, unnecessary signal. Was there any need for the signal? Yes, if there's someone's coming from behind and someone's walking next to you on the left hand side, someone's crossing the road next right front of you there, you must give a signal to let other drivers know, or other people, road users know what your intentions are. But if you don't see anyone on the road, then you do not give a signal, because if you do give a signal, that'll be a problem. So P.O.M, prepare yourself, start the car, put your car into the gear. Observation, 6 different places you have to look around before you start moving, always from left side all the way to the right hand side. And if you in the maneuver and you park on the right side of the on the road, which is a footpath, will be on your right side, then you start from your right shoulder all the way to the left shoulder, because the car will be coming from the left side now. So once you've done the 6-point checks, then comes the 3rd one, which is a maneuver or move off when you're ready. Do I need a signal? That's the most important question again. Do I need to give signal? I only will give signal when it's necessary. If I don't see anyone on the road, I don't need to give a signal. So P.O.M, preparation, observation, and move. Every time you stop the car, doesn't matter who you're driving with instructor, driving yourself, or you are with the examiner, you keep it same routine. Preparation, observation, 6-point checks, and move off. Do I need to give signal? If no one there, don't give a signal. Best of luck. Thank you.